Welcome back, guys. This video we're gonna talk about risk management. So the reason why people blow their account is because they don't have proper risk management. So the way that it works, proper risk management is you wanna use about 10% up to 10% of your account to trade and to get faked out. Okay, so let me repeat that, up to 10% of your account. So if you have a $1,000 account, you want to use about maximum of 10% of that account. So you can trade up to one standard lot. You know why? Because on a fake out like this, obviously you guys already know how not to get faked out. But let's say on this faked out, if you have one standard at the top, your account will be blown. You don't want that, you know? So when you have a drawdown, let's say that you're getting this trade right here, this fake out, when you have a drawdown of 247 pips, you're gonna be down $247. I mean, 247 micros. So you're gonna be down 4 pips. So you're gonna be down $247. So the micro pips accounted with as a dollar on the standard, you know. But let's not talk about that. You're gonna get confused. But anyways, you're gonna be down 24 pips on one standard lot. You're gonna be down $247 on this fake out. Obviously, you're not gonna get right here, because if you get right here on this trade, like I said that you got in right here, you went profit, whatever. The fake out, it came down 997 pips. That's equal to $972 on a one standard lot. You know, so you're gonna blow your account right here. That's why they did this. You know, because the market maker know that most people they use about, you know, up to 5%, 10%. You know, you can use 5% to be, you know, more if you wanna be on the safe side. 5% of your account, and the fake out will, you know, if you got in the worst possible way, you know, what most people did. Most people try to chase this trade, especially this candle. Got trapped right here, fake out, profit, bam. So you want to use about 10% of your account. How do you calculate that? Well, let's say that you have a $400 account. You want to use up to 0.50 of trades combined, not a 0.50 trade. You know, if you do a 0.50 trade, that's it. Don't put more trades. Do not put more trades in. If you have a $500 account using 10%, do not put more than 0.50. You can put 2 of 0.25 each. You can do that. You're gonna be on the safe side. Or you can do 1.50. I mean, once you get really good at it, then use 20-25% of your account. You know, for $1,000 account, use 2-3 lots. Who cares? But that's, you know, once you get way better at this. I still use 10%, you know. But that's risk management. That's on trades. Now, let's talk about growing at a 10% pace on your account. So let's say that you have a $1,000 account. You use up to 1 lot. So what's 10% of 1 lot? That's 10 pips. And then you get paid $10 per pip at a one standard lot. So you're gonna be making $100 per day consistently. This is only getting 10 pips. Obviously, these setups are not gonna give you 10 pips. These setups are gonna give you a minimum of 50 pips, 30 to 50 pips. Look at this trade. It went 69 pips, almost 70 pips. It did reach 70 pips. So This is up to you. I'm not telling you how to trade or what to trade or whatever. When I got in this trade, in here, I got out right here. I cut 123 pips. That's a lot of fucking pips. Oops, excuse my language. But that's a lot of pips. You know? 123 pips over 2 days. On one standard lot would have been $1,238. Just one standard lot. But, you know. So let's say that you cash 50 pips, that's 100 pips, you know, every day. That's growing at a really fast pace. And then the risk management that I'm telling you guys to use is use 10% of your account. Use 10% of your account, you're gonna be growing like really fast. You know, I deposit on my account. I did a deposit for 800. Right now the account is like a 1600 or so. 2 or 3 trading days. I double my account already, more than double. Why? Because I use proper risk management. You know, most people blow their account in a day or two. You know, most people do that. That's how it is. So, but I'm doubling my account every 2 days. You know, so I'm going for 50% increase every day, which is 50 pips a day. That's 50% increase. You can do that as well, you know, but it's up to you. You know, but now I'm gonna start using 0.50s. I grew my account on 0.25s I did up to like 0.75. So I was risking more than, you know, but like, you know, I'm already better at this. So, you know, I don't care if I blow my account. I know where to stop. I know when to stop trading. I know when to start trading. So proper risk management, 10%. Okay? 10% of your account. If you're gonna be increasing your account by 10%, just count the pips. It's 10 pips per day. If you wanna grow your account at a 10% rate. If you wanna grow your account at 20% rate, cash 20 pips a day. If you wanna grow your account at 30% rate, 30 pips a day. These moves are gonna give you a minimum of 50 pips. I'm telling you. Look, I got in this trade. If I would have got out right here, that's 70 pips. You know, and I wouldn't have let it go. Another 70 pips right here, let it go. From here, if I would have caught this, because this happened when I was sleeping, you know, I mean, it went up 140 pips. You know, but I don't try to cash every single pip. I try to cash my 50 pips a day. 50, 60 pips a day, you are going to be golden. Because I want to grow my account at 60% rate, 70% rate, you know. The pair only moves about 95 ADR. The ADR is the average daily range. It moves about 95. It doesn't move 100 pips like most people say. I catch 200 pips today. The pair didn't move 200 pips. You probably have 2 orders, one right here, another order right here, and you take profit. Let's say this one when, you know, 100 pips, let's say it went up to here, you close right here, and then you're like, oh, I catch 200 pips today. This is 100 pips. This is 77 pips. I catch 177 pips today. No, you didn't. You catch 100 pips with 2 trades, 2 positions. You know, you didn't catch 170 pips. You catch 100 pips with 2 positions. You know, but that's the risk management. So always use 10%. So you're gonna divide your account in 10%. Risk, you can go for a 10% reward. That's growing your account at 10%. Or you can use 10% of your account for a 50% increase. That's 50 pips. You can do that as well. I do that all day long, you know. But that's up to you, however you want to grow your account. But that's all there is to risk management, you know. It's just using up to 10% of your account, and you're gonna split your trades. You're not gonna just trade to trade. You're gonna split your trade. So let's say you have a $300 account. You're gonna use up to 10% risk, which is up to 0.30. You know, per day. You can split it on 3 or 0.10, or you can do just 1.30. I usually split my trades, you know, but that's just me. Okay, so that's all there is to risk management. Hope you guys use proper risk management, and your risk to reward ratio is great. Okay, if you have any questions, let me know.